Elliott Wave Theory is a form of technical analysis that suggests stock prices move in repetitive cycles. Let's look at how traders view these patterns. At its heart, the theory relies on fractals, the idea that market patterns look the same whether you look at a 5-minute chart or a yearly one. The theory suggests a primary trend moves in 5 waves, followed by a corrective phase that moves in 3 waves. These waves aren't just random lines. They are meant to represent the collective psychology of investors shifting between greed and fear. Most traders look at company data to find value, but Elliott Wave Theory argues that market psychology creates predictable patterns you can spot on a chart. A major criticism is that wave counting is highly subjective. 2 analysts looking at the same chart often label the waves completely differently. Remember that technical theories are tools for observation, not guaranteed predictions of future price action. Elliott Wave Theory is complex and requires deep study. Subscribe for more breakdowns of market mechanics and stay curious.